If you've ever read the label on a cosmetic product, you've probably noticed that they normally contain substances that have been extracted from plants or fruits. The reason for this is simple. Lots of plants and fruits are great for your skin due to their many nutrients and beneficial properties. They can help with various problems from acne to premature age spots. In today's video, we're going to talk about some fruits and how they can help your skin. Oranges. The orange peel is full of vitamin C and other antioxidants that fight free radicals and give your skin a youthful glow. Furthermore, the citric acid found in the peel can both exfoliate and brighten your skin. You can mix an orange peel, yogurt, and honey to make a great facial mask. Honey is a natural moisturizer and cleanser. It has antioxidant and antibacterial properties that can slow down the aging process and fight acne. Ingredients: 2 or 3 orange peels, 150 to 200 grams of natural yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions: peel 3 oranges. Cut the peel into small pieces and leave them in the sun to dry for 3 days. Once the pieces of peel are dry, put them into the blender and blend them for 3 to 5 minutes until you have a fine powder. Mix the powder with the yogurt and honey and blend them together. Spread the paste on your face. Always test it beforehand for allergies and let it sit for a while before you gently rinse it off. Banana. We normally throw away the banana peel, but it's actually a great remedy for acne. Try rubbing the inside of the peel on the areas of your face where you have acne until the peel turns brown. Then wait about 30 minutes and rinse your face off with warm water. You should do this twice a day, and the last time should be right before going to bed. Leave it on overnight and wash your face in the morning when you wake up. You can also fight wrinkles using bananas by making a compress with the banana peel and leaving it on the desired area for 15 minutes and washing your face in the morning. Papaya. Papaya peel is a frequently used ingredient in face masks. When used repeatedly, it can eliminate spots, make your skin smooth, and get rid of wrinkles. The peel also helps speed up the scarring process. You can either put the pulp or the peel on your face, as long as they're fresh. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of papaya pulp, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of oats. Instructions: blend all of the ingredients together until you have an evenly blended paste. Spread it all over your face and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then rinse well with warm water. This mask helps fight acne and gently peels your skin. It's also great for wrinkles because it brings life to your skin and makes it look healthier. But if you want a mask that helps oily skin, add a spoonful of lemon juice and another of yogurt. This mask can also be used on your hair. Before using any of these recipes, perform an allergy test and apply some of the concoction on your wrist and watch for any reactions. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.